the bat, the birds, and the beasts. A fierce conflict was about to break out between the birds and the beasts. There was a bat in a tree. The birds passed the tree and said, "Come with us." But the bat said, "I am a beast." Later on, some beasts who were passing underneath him looked up and said, "Come with us." But he said, "I am a bird." Fortunately, for some reasons, they stopped fighting. So the bat came to the birds and wished to join them. But they all turned against him, and he had to fly away. He then went to the beasts, but soon had to run out, or else they would have torn him to pieces. "Ah," said the bat, "a man who stands for nothing will have no friends."